Click where it says click here. Very good, Calissa.
Look at the alphabet letters on the cards. Can you find the matching pairs of things that start with the letters?
Okay, so click on the match.
Anteater. Axe.
No.
Is that a match?
Next try.
Good job. Try again.
Animals. Very nice.
Click on the next. Good job. Click on the next one.
Awesome.
Great job.
Axe. Well done.
Good job, Calissa.
Where's that?
That is an acrobat. For
Oh.
A is acrobat.
Yeah.
Yes. You want to play again? Click where it says next. Put your pointer on next. Good job, Calissa. So good with the computer. Try another one.
Abacus.
Abacus.
Abacus, yes.
Acrobat.
Alphabet. For A.
Yes, for A.
Next try. Alphabet.
Alphabet.
Excellent.
Got that right.
Look.
There's a picture.
Where's that?
That's a, well, we have to finish all the matches and see what it is.
Acrobat.
Alphabet.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Abacus. Terrific.
So,
Abacus.
for picture.
Good job, Calissa. Are you having fun on the computer?
It is right there.
Oh, you're starting another one? Good job.
Astronaut.
Astronaut.
Antelope.
No.
Not a match?
No.
Okay,
Next
try again.
try. Astronaut.
Oh, where's the other astronaut?
Right here.
Very good. You have a great memory.
Antelope. Ant.
No.
Try again. Ant. Good.
Very good, Calissa.
Antelope. Fantastic. Ant.
That's an ant. You want to click on next so you can do another one? Good job. You got tickets.
Go to basic. All about W.
Are you having a good time, Calissa? Can you tell me?
Yes.
Tell me.
Yes.
Yes, what?
Yes.
Yes, what? Can you look at the camera?
Words.
Yes.
Yes. Calissa, can you do me a favor? Can you say your Bible verse?
Worm.
God has given teachers us the ability to certain
Worm.
things each ourselves.
No. Just try it again. Say it over. I know you're playing your game. Start it with
Certain things well.
certain things well. Yes. Say it from the start from the beginning. You're done? Okay. Play your game.
I play my turn.
All right. We'll try that again later.